pretty pumped. It's Tuesday, so that means that bite meals are here, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I get. Pretty pumped about it. Shout out to Katie and Hayden because they got a pretty awesome company. And if you don't know what bite meals is, I'll tell you a little bit about it here in a second. All right, so I was going to try to show you me getting bite meals. But the building that I live in, the 800 Tower, and this is the downside of renting, there wasn't a concierge downstairs. I was pretty fucking pissed, not gonna lie. So for about the past 60 minutes, I've been venting, pacing around, my neck's a little red, blood pressure got up a little bit, but we got the bite meals. That is what is important. And so I'm gonna open this bad boy up and show you what I got. All right, so Bite Meals is a meal prep business. This is so hard to do one-handed. It's like, I always see those unboxing videos on YouTube, and normally it's for like tech gadgets and shit. This is just for my food. But what I do is this saves me a lot of time during the week. And I'll open this bad boy up. It comes in this super cool insulated box. I've got these freezer things here. All right, so here it is. So we got Philly cheesesteak breakfast pizza, specialty meal. I'm not really sure what that is. Oh, it's pizza, regular pizza. Nice. Specialty meal. Sweet heat chicken mac and cheese, and smothered chicken Yukon mashed potatoes and green beans. This one is going to. That one's staying on the counter because I'm about to eat that one. So we got that. Let's see here. Try to keep these organized so you guys can see all. And it's so cool because these are super healthy meals. The sodium's a little high, so this one's a sweet heat chicken and mac and cheese. Tori really likes this one. So 15 grams of fat. Looks like 69 grams of carbs, 63 grams of protein. But again, the cholesterol, sodium right there, 1900 mgs of sodium. So, if you're trying to get super lean, probably not awesome, but my fat ass has been splurging here lately, and because we've been so busy, I haven't had time. I can't say that to myself. You're not supposed to say, I have time. I just haven't made time. I've been lacking in my disciplines. And check this out, because this is super important, right? Because one of the biggest things about being successful and successful people is that they don't lack in their discipline. Like, you can, maybe you don't make it to the gym because you had to fly out of state or something like that. But super important to stay disciplined, and I'm learning that this year. I just turned 30 last week, and I'm learning that your ability to stay disciplined and stay on the path doing the same thing over and over and over again, because that's the shit that needs to be done, your ability to do that, the longevity of that, and your ability to stay course is directly proportionate to how successful you are. So sorry, a little blurb there, but that's why you guys watch the vlog. And I miss doing this, man. All right, so what else we got? We got barbecue beef, smoky mac and cheese. That sounds delicious. We've got jerk chicken, sweet potato puree. The sweet potato puree is freaking amazing. Green beans. We've got steak. I don't know what that is, but I love steak, mixed rice, and Fiesta corn. And then barbecue chicken, sweet potato puree, and green beans. So those four, pull those out. This is so freaking hard to do one-handed. My house is a mess. Tori and I have just been on the grind, man. Cleaning lady will be here on Monday, though. That's good. Buying back my time. All right. I think this may be the last of it. Yes, this is the bottom package. So, all right. Chicken bite bowl. Super delicious if you like Qdoba, places like that. Oh, oops. Denver hash bowl. Love that. Eat those for breakfast. Denver hash bowl. And barbecue chicken pizza. So, last time, and so you guys can see here, 20 of the meals. There is all the good stuff. This little packing slip. And it's super cool because this comes in an insulated box. And here's something also, is that these are recyclable. So like the material that they use to freeze these is safe to go down the drain, and then we recycle the bags. But that is all of this. That's Bite Meals. And I'm super pumped because I got the new Samsung Note 8. I'm going outside because I got to show you guys the sky. I got the camera flipped around, so hopefully you guys can see me okay. But the Samsung Note 8, and I freaking love it, man. It's so awesome. The ability to just shoot, the camera is crystal clear, and then now, thanks to my man Keith Kalfish, shout out to Keith, I've got editing software that I use right on the phone. Sorry, I'm gonna edit this vlog and then put it up. So, yay! I'm back to vlogging. Like, it's so awesome, and I love it, and it's amazing. And then look at this view. Golly, man. This is why I tell you guys, hustle, it's worth it, man. Ah. Remember, guys, I started wherever you're at right now in life. Trust me, I've been there because I've been lower than that. I've been homeless. I've, been told I wasn't going to succeed. I've been told that, I was going to be a failure. My business wasn't going to accomplish anything. Nothing was going to come of it. None of that shit matters, man. Like, eventually in life, you just have to be able to tell those people to fuck off and then go do your own damn thing. So, that's it. See ya. Oh, just kidding. Hey, Keith also taught me this. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And if you're digging the vlog format, you like it in the first person, I guess that's what this is called, let me know. I'm going to do more of these. They're super easy, and I'm pumped. And just trying to show you guys my life, because a lot of you are curious, and I like doing it. So, see you guys. Take care.